How to change group icon in WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and go to the group where you want to change the icon. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info section. Here, you will see the current group icon displayed as a circle at the top. Tap on it. Next, a menu will appear with several options like camera, gallery, emoji and stickers, and source wave. If you want to upload a photo from your phone, tap on gallery and select the image you want to use as the group icon. After selecting the image, you can crop it to fit the circular frame. Once you are happy with it, tap on Done to save it. If you would rather take a new photo for the group, just tap on camera from the options and capture the image directly. You can also explore the emoji and sticker option to make the group icon more fun or unique by choosing a combination of background color, an emoji or sticker. Finally, once you save the changes, the group icon will update for everyone in the group instantly. Keep in mind, only group admins can change the icon, so make sure you have the necessary permission. And that's it. Now you know how to change group icon in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.